This is an automotive sunroof, and the table is designed for rework area at the end of the line. The operator will deliver the sunroof to the table by use of another vacuum lifter. He will set the sunroof onto the table. There are clamps that will hold the unit down, also holds the glass down, and then he can flip the table 90 degrees. The purpose of this table is then they can get to all of the screws to take off the brackets and release the screws for the window. Once they release the screws for the window, they can turn the table back, open the clamps, and remove the glass, and then repurpose all the parts back into production.